How you feel now? You had a lot on your shoulder today.
Yeah, I'm very happy, of course. Happy to help the team. Like Nico said directly after the match, this is what I'm paid for. So I guess he was
not official.
I guess they were very happy, and I'm of course very happy to help the team with 2 points today. We were really fighting as a team, did our best, and we know that Montpellier is a very good team with the Lebrun brothers in the. Yeah, they're really amazing and tough to beat, so very happy with my own performance, and it's such a cool feeling to win this event. A lot thanks to Zhendong for bringing so many amazing fans also, so it's a full arena, and it's just such a cool experience, so super grateful.
And number one in organization of this fantastic event, Nico, what you can say now at the end?
Yeah, I mean, for me, it was very emotional today because you put so much effort in this kind of competitions. You are planning for months and months with a great team, with ETTU, with sponsors, with partners, with everything. With challenges, yesterday with the football match, and we solved it, everything perfect. We had great atmosphere 2 days. I think we brought the competition again to another level. What we had already in the 2 last years, we had great atmosphere, but this year was something very special. I have to thank all the fans, all the supporters to come here. I have to thank the great players, not only my team, also the teams from Düsseldorf, Bogoria and Montpellier, which have great players. I think this is by far the most prestigious competition what we had in the last maybe 15-20 years with this kind of players. World Olympic champion, world number 2, world number 4, world number 10, 11, 12, whatever. I mean, there were so many players from the top 20 in the world. This is unbelievable, and this means very much for me, especially because it's Darko's last time, my friend. Fran's first time, and also Truls, that is like very welcome in our team. He's good friends with everybody. This is bringing me a lot of joy. Now Patrick is not here, unfortunately. He's still in the dressing room, but he is also he keeps us together somehow as a team. He's the captain. He's there coaching. I mean, it was really a hard situation when we know Fan was signing. That we know we had such a strong team. That we knew that maybe Darko or Franz will be on the bench, but they accepted this, which is not clear for a player in top 15 of the world, to accept to sit on the bench in such an important event. And I think this is speaking for ourselves, for the team, and what a great atmosphere we have.
And Mr. Boa, again, you lift the bar, as you said, with the best Final Four so far. What we can expect next year?
Yeah, unfortunately, next year we will have a very strong opponent. No, but I mean, what we had here, this is like really amazing. I think there is some small details that we can still fix, but I expect also many Chinese fans, of course, this time cheering for Zhendong, but also cheering for Hugo, Truls, these kind of guys, if we qualify. I mean, it's still the Champions League, so it's very hard. Yeah? The seeding is very hard. We are seeded number 1, but maybe Montpellier next year can be like very dangerous because they are not seeded maybe under the best 4, so they can be a quarterfinals. Again, with one of the strongest teams. So yeah, we need to see. We will expect great things here with spectators, with the help of ETTU, with everybody, with the help of the players, and I'm already looking forward. And we have a date already, which will be published soon, hopefully. Yeah, and then we will try to promote the event as best as possible.
Thank you. May I open the floor for the questions?
Zhendong, you from Youku Sports, first congratulations for winning a new title in your legendary career. So does this title mean anything special for you to win together with the team?
Yes, I think we know Europe Champions League is very difficult, and also we need whole team to efforts and then we can win this title. So we have celebrate, we can get the trophy. So for me, it's always a special moment, and I hope I can play better in the next time. Yes.
No. Yeah.
Can I do it in Chinese, maybe?
For me, Chinese is okay. You need to decide. Chinese okay? Yeah.
反正你好，我们是优酷体育的报道团，我们看我们第一排都是坐的我们，因为刚才一直在用英语在聊欧冠的这个意义，首先也是非常恭喜拿到了一个冠军，想请你用中文来去聊一下，就是和这么好的一个团队一起夺得第一个欧冠是怎样的一个感受？谢谢。
我觉得现在打的是欧冠比赛，我们用英语大家都能听得懂，会更加尊重一些，所以我还是觉得可能用英语虽然不能fully express my emotion in English, but I want to speak English. So I think this title I hope I can got, but I know I need to do many efforts so I can help the team. But unfortunately today I can't help the team, but our teammates play very well, and they play amazing match to help us to win the title. So I'm very happy, and I also can learn we can learn each other. Yes.
Questions for Jorgic and for Truls?
Yeah, I have a question for Truls. There has been so many years you stay here, play for the ETTU Final Four, and this time is the first time I think a lot of fans from China were here, and when you feel about the atmosphere here, is there anything different it was in the past?
It was amazing. There is one big difference, and that is that they cheered for me also this time. Normally on tournaments they always cheer for the other players, and it's always very, very tough. To feel their support really helps a lot. It was cool when you came out to the table and to the court. They were screaming your name and really fighting for you. It was really, really nice. Definitely helped a lot. I'm jealous of the China national team players that have this in almost every competition they have. So I'm grateful that I could experience it myself. I think the tournament and the Final Four went to another level because of the fans. Also the French fans are coming here, and we always know that they are loud, and together with the Chinese fans and the German fans, it was an amazing experience.
One sentence to add. To all athletes from our club and those other clubs, I want to say, I want behalf of the Chinese fans or the fans around the world to say thank you to all of you. You have made those kind of progress or everything perfect. Thank you to you. You are, and we have seen the positive energy from the sports, from table tennis. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I have another question for Truls. Again, you from Youku Sports. So in the last Champions League game, you took one big face from Zhendong and used it. This time we saw also big faces of yours. Did you see that? And why didn't you take one?
Because I already look like this, and so I didn't need to take one of mine. But yeah, it's fun, of course. Because of fun, we got a lot of support, and we got to feel it ourselves. We got pictures of ourselves when we were babies and stuff. So fun to experience it ourselves, I guess, and very happy to be part of it.
Another question for Truls. Truls, you kind of special because you only play the Champions League for this club, and since the Champions League season is over, I want to know what the make of season to play with Zhendong and finally got a special trophy together.
Super cool experience to play with Fan has been really, really cool. Very much learning, progressing, getting to know him as a friend and a teammate is cool. We have always been playing against each other many times in very big matches, unfortunately with bad results for me, but he's an amazing person and has always been accepting us and accepting how I am as a teammate, and that's very important as well. So only good things to say about Fan, and cool that we could win this trophy in the end, and I'm very happy in Saarbrücken, only playing in the Champions League. They're happy with that, and they're letting me play in the Swedish league, which is very important for me, and the combination of that is working very well so far, so happy with it.
One question for Darko, it's okay?
Yes.
Hi Darko, unfortunately you are leaving the team very soon, and now because of Saarbrücken you have a lot of fans and supporters also outside of Germany. So do you have any words to say to your fans, to your supporters? Also look at the next season when you go to the Polish team.
Yeah, definitely. I hope next year we can again be here with Polish team. I know it's going to be very hard. But yeah, everything is possible. Of course, I need to say thank you to all the fans who were supporting me during the season here in Saarbrücken. Not only in Saarbrücken, but also international. I feel they are cheering a lot for me right now. Thanks to Fan, who made this everything possible for me, that I played one season with him. Also these fans that came to support him, supported me and the team as well. And I'm really happy and looking forward also for some new friendships.
Last question.
Last.
My last question. Again, you from Youku Sports. Zhendong. There are a lot of Chinese fans who travel a very long distance from China, from other countries to support you. And the team made a great achievement to win the title 4 times in a row. So do you have any words to say to the fans who travel a long distance to support you here?
This is my first year Europe, Korea, and I'm very happy. And many people focus on the tournament and support every team too. And many people focus and many people support us. I think give our more energy to play the great match. So I also want more people can focus in the future. Yes.
Thank you very much. We will one more and we will finish.
For Zhendong. Okay. Where do you think Felix and Alex has improved the most in this competition?
I think they are sure is the very high level the opponent, so I also prepare more for today the match. But I think 2 match my first set lost very fast, so I think give me much more difficult the second set and third set. So I think 2 match second set and third set I have opportunity, but I can't in the 10-10 or some the deuce time I can't play so well, so I lose the match. I need to think today the experience. Yes.
If you play with them the next time, what do you think you can change something?
I think I can better in the next time, but every time I think the condition is different, so I need to focus myself or focus the opponent technique and to choose the technique in the match. So I think this is most important. In this part today I not do very well. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.